We usually find it very difficult to move on from a previous relationship, especially if the relationship has ended badly. When we've been hurt, when we feel we've been cheated, we have been wronged, we hold on to the pain, to the hurt, and we don't move on. Somehow a part of us believes that if we don't move on, it also keeps the other person stuck. And that gives us a sense of maybe a feeling of I'm stuck, and so also my remaining stuck will somehow keep the other person stuck with me. And when we cannot find a good enough reason why this relationship did not work, then we look for blame. We want to assign blame to the other. We want to say only if he had done things differently, only if she had behaved differently, only if she could see my point of view, things would have been different, things would have been better, we could have carried on. When we look for blame, when we look for guilt, we are not willing to accept that this relationship had to end. It keeps us stuck in the past. We don't want to go deep into our pain and feel that pain fully. We are scared to feel that pain. And somehow we try to avoid feeling that pain. When we avoid feeling that pain, when we avoid feeling the feeling of loss, and we resort to guilt, to blame, we are ourselves unable to move on. So what will be a good solution which will help us to move on? Because when we can't move on, we can't form new relationships. Our anger, our hurt, our pain, our blame keeps us hooked into that previous relationship. It's important for us to acknowledge that what we once had was good. There was some love in the relationship. There were good times. The relationship contributed to us in many ways. If we can hold on only to the good, if we can keep only the good, it's much easier to let go of the past. If we can see the other person for all the good that he brought into our lives, for all the things that we learned together or how we grew together, it becomes much easier to let go. It's important that we acknowledge the past. It's important we give it a place in our heart. I would go so far as to say, give the other person a place in your heart. Because there was some good in the relationship. There was something in the relationship for as long as it lasted. And when it got over, that is when it was meant to get over. Only when you can do that, can you unhook yourself from the past and give yourself permission to move on. Acknowledging the past, giving it a place in your life, giving it a place in your heart, makes it so much easier. We often feel, how can I let go? Because I've had so much hurt, so much pain. We believe that when we stay hooked to the past, somehow it'll keep the other person hooked too. But in reality, we are preventing ourselves from moving on. When you can let go and give permission to the other person also to move on, you free yourself. It's about you. It's not about them. Just imagine the other person standing in front of you and tell them, what we had was beautiful, but now it's over. I keep only the good with me. I leave the responsibility of what you did and the guilt of what you did with you. And I keep my responsibility with me. I give you a place in my heart. and I keep only the good in our relationship. When you can do this, you will feel really free and light and ready to move on.